One thing I've learned in life is those successful and rich people in the society, they do not do only one business. This is a very lovely watch. She's hair counting to be sure of the amount she ordered. Hi, welcome to the channel. So today I'm bringing you guys to my business routine. Should I call it that way? Or yeah, I'm doing some mini packaging. I want you guys to come along with me, and that's my washing detergent business, which is the fabric softener. And guys, if you don't have this product, you're missing out. So if it's your first time coming across this channel, my name is Stanley Awoya. I'm a Ghanaian YouTuber. I do lifestyle, food, and beauty. So welcome. Can you join the family by subscribing and share with friends and family? I'm just getting ready to go and do the delivery. Let's talk about my tech business. I'm doing drop shipping business. I don't know if that's the right word for it. Okay, so whilst I get ready, we talk drop shipping business. Like, I pick stuff online, advertise it, and if you like it, you just let me know, then I order it for you. I think I said this in my last 2 videos or 3 videos. Yeah, the day I went to have this Braids. I told you I'll be going for a package someone ordered. Okay, it was men's watch. Guys, I deal in everything. Everything that brings money. You know, as someone who is determined to be a successful person, you need to, my lips are very dry. So as I was saying, as someone who is determined to become very successful in life, or want to be independent, you need to try as much as possible to work hard, you know, do everything. You know, business, one thing I've learned in life is those successful and rich people in the society, they do not do only one business. They invested in a lot of business, and that makes them rich. And so that's one thing I've learned in life. So anything that will bring me money, guys, anything apart from killing, I'm not there, but anything that will bring me money, trust me, your girl is there. Okay, so this is the watch I'm talking about. I don't know if, I think the camera, let me show you. This is the brand of the watch, Navy Force Professional Waterproof. That means it can fall into water without spoiling. Okay, so let's do unboxing here. So this is it. This is a very nice quality watch. I deal in quality, I don't deal in quantity. See, this is a very lovely watch, and look at the stripe, very nice. If you're interested, I'll leave my number below the description box. There'll be a link there. Just click on it and it will bring you straight to me. Then we talk about it. So just order for yours. This will last for a long period of time. Let's put it back. We'll bring in your orders. Order for more, and we also buy more to sell. That is it for our watch review. Let's continue getting ready. So I'm going to apply this hair oil in my hair. This is made by Beauty Skin, and it helps grow the hair very well. I used to have dandruff, guys. If I have braids, I can't keep it for even a week, but it's a week now, and look how neat my scalp is thanks to this amazing hair growth oil. I don't know if you can see it well. So I'm just going to apply it on my scalp like this. Okay, everywhere. I'll make sure it enters everywhere. Okay, so I was saying, as someone who is determined, really determined to become successful in life, you don't need to sit down. Okay, my shop is online, so I try to advertise this or post it for people to see and order. So that's how I do my business. So if this phone that we have, there's a lot of opportunities on it that bring us money. You don't even know. So try and do more research. For me, I love to do research. I love to read more on certain things that will bring money. If that thing will not benefit me, I'll not even go near it. So I try as much as possible to do all those stuffs, at least to get some little coins. So I'm using Eco Gel for my edges. Using this mousse, I want to use it to make it very dry, to stay long. I don't have time to do edges, so this is what helps me. Actually, this is my second time doing this. I tried it the last time and it worked. It stayed for long, I think 3 days now. That's what I used the wipe to clean it. You see, I wasn't able to clean it, so I have to use wipe. I need a little bit of it too. Okay, so we are done, but before that I need to eat. Bon appetit, guys. So this is what I'm going to have this morning. Big bowl with small wachi. Thank you for this food. Bless it in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. guys, I'm ready to set off, and these are the products I'm going to deliver there. And I have a few of them here which I'll place the guests here. So I have them here, and I ordered for bottles, these bottles. I ordered for some yesterday and I linked it in, so I'm going for it. But I'll go some people are distracting me. I'll go for it first before I deliver this thing. When I get there, I'll start placing the stickers on these ones. Then I deliver this. Finally got to the premises of where I'm going for my bottles, and they don't usually open on Saturday, so I called the man and he was already there waiting for me to come for my package. And yeah, he has done everything, and he decided to tie it up in order to secure it for it not to pour. Okay, so finally I had to pay. I have to pay for the bottles, and I went straight to where I'm going to deliver the products. So this is the lady. She was bringing them out, and yeah, we have to count it as well. So I bought everything and the ones in front of the seat for her, and we took it to her place to count it. So this is her counting to be sure of the amount she ordered. Yeah, that's it, guys. And if you have watched to this day, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. But please do well to like this video, share it with family and friends. Okay guys, so delivery is done. Let's go home. These are the bottles I went for, and I went for this ones. I went for this ones too. Let's get going now. So guys, I just came back from town and not feeling fine at all, but I need to cook something. So I want to prepare this yam for us to eat for supper. So let's do that together. Food is ready. Bon appetit, guys. Come join me. Let's eat this yummy simple meal. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and please do also share with friends and family. Bye.